Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I accept the principle of the separation of the railway finance from the general finance, full stop. I also accept the desirability of this arrangement, full stop. It is not only a convenient arrangement, but it is based on sound principles and is conducive to the better administration of the railways, full stop. I also agree that the contribution of the railways to the general revenues should be in the shape of fixed dividends, but I cannot agree that the dividend should be fixed at 4%, and that is the crux of the whole report, full stop. As a matter of fact, the committee was instituted only to go into that matter, whether the dividend payable at the present time, that is 4%, was reasonable or not, and whether this arrangement should continue, full stop. When I say that I do not agree to the rate of dividend, I wish to submit that enough material has not been placed in our hands to judge whether the dividend which is being fixed is fixed on some sound basis or not, full stop. The committee has not examined certain vital matters concerning the administration of the railways, and what I find is that the whole arrangement is very superficial. It appears to me that the railway administration and the finance administration came to an agreement, and the committee did not find it necessary, because of the agreement between the two ministries, to examine and go into the vital matters which affect this issue, full stop. It is not clear how this dividend, if fixed at 4%, is going to react on the working of the railways, and particularly on the future development of the railways, and also on the present structure of the fares and freights, full stop. This question has not at all been examined, and we do not know what reaction it is likely to have, full stop. These are very vital matters, and I think that they need a thorough examination before we can come to correct conclusion in this matter, full stop. As we know, there is a pressing demand for reduction in the railway fares, particularly for third class passengers, full stop. This demand has been made on the floor of this house, and I think there is great justification behind this demand, and more particularly now when we find that the prices of agricultural goods have gone down, we will have to take into consideration the question whether the rural population, who will get much lesser return for their products, now we will be able to pay the same fares and freights, full stop. I also wish to draw your attention to the fact that the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce had submitted a memorandum to the Honorable the Railway Minister, asking him for an examination and revision of the freight structure, full stop. I do not know what the position today is, and unless and until we are enlightened about that, unless and until we know where we stand in relation to freights and fares, we are not in a position to take any decision whether the rate of full stop.